Welcome. In this video, I will show you how I connect a sensor in Isaac Sim directly from an IFM IO-Link Master device. Here is today's setup. I connect the sensor to port 2 of the AL1122. Then I connect the communication port to my switch using Ethernet cable. When I power it on, you can see the LEDs light up, confirming the module is active. This is the IFM AL1122 IO-Link Master. It has power input, a communication port for Ethernet, and the IO-Link ports where we connect our sensor. Now, let's check sensor detection using the IFM application LR device. In LR device, you can see port 2 is configured as digital input. The status changes in real time as the sensor detects metal. Now, let's switch to Isaac Sim. I created a simple object here to display detection when the sensor makes contact. When there is no metal, the object is red. When we have contact, the object will become green. Here is the script node with my custom Python script to handle communication between the IO-Link Master and Isaac Sim. I'm using the PyCom3 library for Ethernet IP communication with the AL1122 at IP address 10.10.10.7. Three important technical points here. First, connected equals false. This tells PyCom3 to use unconnected messaging. This parameter is critical. Without it, the AL1122 won't respond correctly. Second, describe multiple assembly instances. The AL1122 exposes data in instance 100, which contains aggregated data from all ports. Third, and this is the innovation, auto-discovery. When I press play, the script automatically monitors the all AL1122 port in 6 seconds. During this time, we have metal near the sensor and the algorithm detects which bit toggle. Completely automatic, no manual configuration needed. The script automatically found the correct mapping, instance 100, byte 0, bit 1. Perfect, we are ready to start the real-time demonstration. First demonstration, watch the Isaac Sim object changing color at exactly the same time as the LR device application. Second demonstration, each time the sensor detects metal, the LED on the AL1122 turns on and the virtual object becomes green instantly. Physical detection driving digital twin behavior in real time. And that's it. We successfully connected a real IO-Link sensor to Isaac Sim using the IFM AL1122 Master with automatic discovering and zero configuration. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more projects combining industrial automation, simulation, and AI, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.